What's going on, you guys? My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas. All right, guys, before we get started, make sure you come over and click subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment, even if it's just to say what's up. It helps the channel out so much. All right, there's a lot of people on YouTube that show you that this life is all glamorous. I mean, you're making gobs and gobs of money. You look cool. Your shirts look awesome. Your truck looks awesome. Going on vacations everywhere. But I'm here to show you the side that most people don't show you. And this is what I got for Christmas. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I've actually tore the upper part of my motor on my work van completely apart. I came outside. My wife actually drove the van somewhere today, and I noticed there was a huge puddle of oil. I thought it was coming from our other vehicle. Clearly it wasn't. So I've pulled the upper intake off, got down to the nitty gritty, and it is the oil cooler or something like engine oil cooler or something. Apparently they're notorious on Chryslers of going out. So I'm looking at my Christmas present right here of about $500 parts and labor. So a lot of people want to show you the non-glamorous side of this kind of business or running any business, but I'm here to show you that sometimes it sucks, and sometimes right when you get ahead, you run into bumps. But you see, I'm still smiling because God is still good. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to get it fixed, and I'm going to keep going, man. That's all there is to it. I know it's a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what my Christmas present was. So, yeah. So, going to the shop in the morning. Hopefully, I'll have it out tomorrow afternoon. And, yeah, I couldn't fix it myself. I tried. Trust me, I tried. So anyway, you guys ever run into catastrophic problems? This ain't really catastrophic, but let me know in the comments below, guys, when you're first starting out or whatever, have you ran into these types of things with your vehicle, man? I was just getting ready to change the oil, so now I get an oil change and a new oil engine oil cooler. So yay! Anyway, don't let anybody fool you. This is not a glamorous lifestyle sometimes. Hope this helps somebody, man. God bless.